This should have been my first post for the year 2025. Imagine putting in so much effort, so much time into looking good, into glamming myself up to create something beautiful for the year 2025. Then when I was done, I checked my phone and I saw this video quality. Imagine the sadness, imagine how bad I felt. And I begin to wonder, is 2025 still that year? But as I apply each stroke of makeup, I am reminded that life is a process, a journey where every step, every decision shapes something new and beautiful. For me, 2025 feels different. Even though with this video, I felt all bad about the way it turned out, I just believed this is God showing me that it is not by my strength, it is not by my power this year, but by Him that will it. And it is a chance for me to rewrite my story. It is a chance for me to face the fears that I have carried on for too long. Last year, I was scared of making plans. Scared because I did not achieve so many of my 2024 goals. It just left me feeling like maybe planning was not for me. Maybe I wasn't capable of following through. But deep down, I know this was not true. Because I could not achieve my last year plans does not mean 2025 wouldn't be the same thing. I will try my best to make sure everything works out according to God's favor and God's will upon my life. I know those fears don't define me, and this year I am determined to take a different approach, one that is filled with grace, strategy, and intention. So guys, how do we make things different from last year? How do we make things different this year? First, I am going to be setting clear, realistic goals and breaking them into smaller, actionable plans and steps. Instead of focusing on everything at once, I'm going to be prioritizing what truly matters. For me, YouTube is an escape route. Days when I don't see clients to glam up. Days when I don't see business deals that I need to work on. I have time to create content. I have time to look good on the screen. I have time to visualize and say things that are on my mind. And this is while I'll be writing things down. Because now I know that a goal in my head is just a mere wish. But a goal on paper, it becomes a plan. So I'll be writing my goals for YouTube in 2025 this year. Secondly, I'll be using tools to stay on track financially. Because I know that this year, 2025, I am making that big bag. This year, my cup overflows and runneth over. This year, the money is coming in. This is my money year. And I'll be using different apps to track my money. I'll be making sure that I use apps like Piggyvest, Cowrywise, Bamboo, RiseVest, anything to just multiply my money. I'll be using that. And this will help me create and stick to a budget. Also help me track my spending and save for things that really matters. One thing I have discovered is that financial growth is a part of my goals this year, and I'm managing my money wisely, which is a step I am committed to taking. So this year, money. Yes, money, financial, and everything that has to do with money is what I am going to be working on. Another thing I'm going to be focusing on this year is becoming a paid content creator. I have always created content, but it has not actually converted into the money for me. I have poured my heart into this platform, and this year I want to turn my passion into a source of income. And I know that to do this, I need to commit to consistency. I need to plan my content with intention. And I need to create videos that are not just entertaining, but also valuable to my audience. So this year, I believe if there's anyone that has something they want to focus on, it is time to do it with intentionality. It is time to be consistent with it. And when it comes to brand collaborations, I'm going to be reaching out to brands that align with my values and the needs of my audience. Beauty brands, skincare brands, Gele brands that just interest me, and brands that I know that will add value to my audience. I'm not ready to do things just for the essence of doing it. I want to make sure that everybody gets value on this YouTube platform, on this YouTube channel, on Alpha Glam. And I'll be reaching out to brands. I'll also be reaching out to people that are into lifestyle products, which are a great fit for me. I am exploring affiliate marketing. I'll be recommending products that I love and trust while earning a commission. So this year, get ready for a lot of recommendations. And of course, by now, I know you know my favorite products. And this is a brand that deals with integrity. There's integrity, there's reliability. You can rely on me to give you the perfect products, the perfect things that you need to do. No lies here, no fake scam, nothing here to scam you. So guys, another strategy that I want to use in monetizing is monetizing through platforms like YouTube ads and leveraging sponsorship to support my content creation journey. This year, this channel is going to be monetized, and one of my goals for that is to be monetized before March this year. Pray for me, guys. I really hope this happens. And when it happens, don't worry, we are all going to celebrate together. Guys, this year is a year that I'm really big on. This is a year that I've always prayed about, and it is already here. And I believe 26 days have gone past now, and I still need to work towards my goals. And I check myself every day, because right now I wake up every day and I feel that burden in my heart. Ife, have you done what you need to do? Have you added your quota to how you intend this year to be? And I think about that every day, every night before I sleep, every day when I wake up. And this is why I am saying this out loud. This is why I am praying about this and also trying to manifest it. That this 2025 will be a year that will be life-changing. This will be a year that I will be filled with abundance. This will be a year that I won't be stuck. A year where I would know that I increased exponentially. And this will also be that same year for my subscribers and my community. Finally, guys, I'll be creating a routine that aligns with my goals, whether it is setting aside time for prayer and reflection to grow spiritually, committing to workouts to grow physically. But when I mean workouts, I don't mean going to the gym, because I don't think there's anything that will make me a gym girly. But I'll make sure that I do some things that will make my body feel better. I will eat food that I know will increase me. I will eat food that I know will help my body system. I will take fruits. I will take things that I know will add to me and not take from me. This year, I am committed to dedicating hours in editing and researching content. I am going to be building habits that support the bigger picture of where I want to be. And to all my subscribers, I really want to encourage you to dream big this year and take steps towards your passion. Everything that you want is achievable. Everything you think that you need is achievable. And don't worry, we are going to do this together, because I have also been very scared. I've also felt like things that I want might not be possible. But this year, I want to be delusional. This year, I want to have it at the back of my mind that I can actually achieve everything I set my mind to do. And I want us to go on this ride together. I want us to do this together. So, write down that goals. Write it down and break it into smaller bits. If content creation or starting a business is your goal, begin by building your skills, showing up consistently, and being authentic. You can also reach out to brands that you believe in. Start small with collaborations and build from there. Guys, this year we are going to do it together, and I want us to come back to this video by December 2025 and say we were delusional enough to achieve all the goals that we wrote down. Even though we don't achieve everything, but we achieved a considerable amount, as much as 90% of our goals, or if not 100% of our goals. Growth is never easy. It is uncomfortable, messy, and sometimes painful. But the seeds we plant today, through hard work, faith, and consistency, will bloom in time. Let us make 2025 the year we stop doubting ourselves. Let us rise, step into our power, and create the lives that we have always dreamt of. Thank you for being a part of this community. Thank you for being a part of Alpha Nation. Thank you for showing up for me and showing up for yourselves. Together, in 2025, we will make this year unforgettable. I love you guys, and I hope you really enjoyed this makeup tutorial. You could follow through while I was talking, and I'll be showing you how I achieve this beautiful radiant look on my face. Yes, mostly using Nigerian brands. Yes, I mostly use Nigerian brands for this look. I think apart from my foundation, and I got this finish, this nice result. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, and also drop your comments. Yes guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.